Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. I want to show you once again the updates for Pump Fund token. Let's dive in. All right, so I recently posted the video and a mark. We will dump, believe it or not, to the zone of interest. So we are dump it to the first zone of interest. Highly recommend you go and check the first video. You could even mark that zone on the next day. Yes, guys, because indentation accumulation pump model works perfectly well. It's not a magic pill, no, but it gives you the really high win rates, and you, first of all, not stocking tokens randomly. And second one, you chase the algorithm of the market makers. It's totally for free, the third one. And the first, it's you not waste the money, with the random DCA strategy, because all the time you can open the feed of Twitter and buy the D, we're going to the moon. Now we'll see the super A drop. Everybody gonna be rich. Even the one guy asked it, he commented like $1 for Pump Fund. Bro, you ever heard about something about like market capitalization? 354 billion market capitalization at the $1 price? What's wrong with that, guys? I have no idea. Market capitalization at the launch day now, almost at the launch day, of just a few days. 1 billion market capitalization, FDV 3 billion market capitalization, and the people talk about $1. I have no idea what's wrong with this, guys. But God bless, we still got this, guys, and we can make money with this one, even the up or down, short or long. So this is the first zone of interest. On the distance, I believe they will drop the price a little bit lower. After that, they need a hype around this token again to distribute their backs at a higher price. Because I'm more than sure, guys, that insiders accumulate a lot of tokens. And take a look at the bubble maps. So this cluster, this blue cluster, own 22 addresses, own 0.51% of total emission. Looks like not a big deal, but that, guys, own 5 billion tokens and the 15 million USD value at this current prices. This token just recently launched. These guys already own like 15 million in USD, so they can press sell by market in all of that 22 addresses and be rich. So this is how it works, guys. Let's double check this one. All right, so another cluster. 16 addresses, 16 million, same way. Kind of strange, right? How is it possible? Even this one, 2 million. And take a look at the launch date. No. Let's check before the distribution. Let's say June 15. All right, this one. Highly recommended, by the way, guys. Go and check the big playlist about how to work with the bubble maps, how to use the time travel, how to use this platform totally for free. It's give you a lot of information, a lot of data. So you can type the bubble maps, and the final posts in Telegram. All right. Take a look at the big guys. Looks like not a big deal, like 1%, less than 1%, but $38 million USD value, And after that, the token dump. That's the point, guys. I'm more than sure there is a lot of insiders who accumulate this token aggressively, on the pre-sale on a different wallets. So they spread the tokens between the wallets, 100 wallets, right, with the same model of distribution to try and hide their steps. And they will most likely drop the price at least, or we're gonna stop at this block, or next zone is 0.202498, and I think I mark my alerts here, and 0.2016, 0.2012, I will be ready to accumulate some pump for speculation. Zone of distribution is here. Absolutely, guys. We can track this model, lately. In August, for example, I will post the updates. So guys, be careful, because you will never see the $1 price, one take. Even if they burn the 50% of the token, even if they stake the 50% of the emission, 150 billion market capitalization, it's unreal. And no makes sense. So pump token is not so special, right? So take a look. This is a potential 325%. This potential 458. If the market maker, stop the token here. After 100%, I recommend you withdraw your initial deposit. So yes, we can start walk like in the channel, right? But anyway, I think they will deliver the price to the right zones in the right moment. Now it's hard to say, and it's too early to talk about potential high for this token. 1 cent maybe, and I think yes, they will push the price to 1 cent, maybe to 2 cents. Imagine the hype if they push the price to 5 cents. It's gonna be just mind blowing. Everybody talk about 10 cents, 50 cents, $1. Who more? So guys, be realistic and build a plan. So at least now we follow the plan. Let's double check with indicator set on smaller time frames. What's going on now with this token? So I showed you, everything in the first video. This is an update. So here, the whales continue accumulate. Why? Because I explained it, we can't form a divergency, and everybody starts selling their tokens. And after that, when the market makers, if they get a plan, they will push the price higher with a bigger emission, which they will spread between the tokens, right? They will start distribute again, and the people hop in again because of hype. Plus, you saw the news, so they don't have a plan now to send any airdrops, and people scream, no way, and the price dump at 20%. Why people so surprised? Why? I have no idea. That's why, guys, all zones relevant, step by step. The whales accumulate a little bit. Maybe not a little bit, we can't know. So this is on a Gate.io, by the way. So we're in total capitulation on a 12 time frame, but not enough because still on a daily, we like in apheria zone. So we need to drop a little bit lower. So I wish to see the my alerts triggers. Take a look, the money power, guys. And no data on a daily, 12 time frame. 12 time frame, what does this indicator shows if there is no data? Kind of some glitch. All right, so we can track it here on the 4 hour time frame. And here, this is accumulation. This is accumulation. So step by step, some accumulation on 4 hour time frame, but this is not enough for pumps. Trade on. It was tiny signal to buy, but we need to see some signal to buy on 12 time frame. Daily, it was like buy, recommendation, close position. So guys, I highly recommend you, don't be trapped with all of this hype around the pump. Just work with the plan. If the pump will not drop to your personal zone of interest, my personal zone of interest, I mark it. Just better skip the token. So now the buy line now going down, and now the buy line, it's 0.2025. Fundamental value is 0.2019. So I'm wait at least the test of fundamental value on 4 hour time frame. After that, we can talk about potential some reversal move. This one. So I wait my targets. If the pump will not drop to this zone of my interest, I will skip this token. Here is a zone of fixation and potential all-time high. And I believe this token will hit the new all-time high. So guys, I hope you like this video. Highly recommend you go and check the first video about a pump, and filter your feed and social. If you'd like to trade with my customer service I will show in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.